Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion and Gamer. So friends, how are you all? I hope that you guys will be good and fine. So today I'm back again with a very beautiful and stunning collection of Islamic dresses with hijab styles. In this video guys, you can enjoy many more beautiful designing ideas of beautiful gowns and hijab styles. Beautiful styles of hand-plaited long gowns with hijab. It is the most beautiful fashion in Indonesia and other Islamic countries. Beautiful uh, gowns and beautiful hand-plaited long gowns ideas in this video you can see. So guys, if you love the collection, so please do subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends and family members. And if you are new on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment and what you want, so comment section is available for you. I always trying to be useful content for my viewers and subscribers, so friends, to make sure that you subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends and family members. Many more beautiful designing ideas of long gowns, belted and hand plaited with hijab styles. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. And if you like any design, so please friends do subscribe my channel and like my videos. And if you do not visit my channel, so please friends visit the channel first. Beautiful long gowns with hijab styles. Long hijabs looks more beautiful and more stunning on ladies. So in this video you can enjoy many more beautiful designing ideas of long gowns. And if you love the collection, so please friends do make sure that you subscribe my channel and support me subscribing my channel. So friends, meet you in the next video, and don't skip the video, watch till the end. Take care of you. Allah Hafiz. And please friend, press the bell icon to get any notification of my new videos.